high surf advisory for Niihau, Kauai, Oahu, Molokai, Lanai, Maui, and Big Island. A high surf advisory remains in effect until 6 p.m. this evening. Surf, very rough surf will be 19 to 23 feet along north-facing shores of all islands, 11 to 14 feet along west-facing shores of Kauai, Oahu, Molokai, and Maui, and 7 to 10 feet along all east-facing shores. Timing: these surf heights will continue through late this afternoon. Impacts: large breaking waves will affect beaches in the advisory area, producing dangerous rip currents and localized beach erosion. These waves combined with strong northeast winds may produce localized coastal flooding along some low-lying northeast-facing shorelines, especially during high tide early Sunday morning. If caught in a rip current, do not try to swim against the current. Instead, swim parallel to shore until you are out of the current, and then swim toward shore. Marine weather statement for the following: Maui County windward waters and Big Island windward waters. A large north-northwest swell will likely produce moderate surges in Kahului and Hilo harbors. This swell, plus strong northeast winds, will also produce large breaking waves near harbor entrances.
Thank you.
Mariners are urged to use extra caution when entering or leaving port. Vessels should be moored carefully to avoid problems with water level changes due to the harbor surges. A strong high-pressure system north of the state will usher in dry air and stable conditions statewide today. Winds will remain breezy today, but begin to diminish this evening as another front approaches from the northwest. A large north swell combined with locally generated wind waves will produce rough surf. Here's the forecast.